Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here, PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic, transcription in bacteria. Contents of our video: historical point of view, transcription, bacterial transcription steps, types of transcription, generalized transcription, specialized transcription, and significance. Transcription. It is the process by which a virus transfers genetic material from one bacterium to another. Later, when one of these bacteriophages infect a new host cell, this piece of bacterial DNA may be incorporated into the genome of new host. Note that all phages cannot be transducer and not all bacteria are transducible. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel. Firstly, you can see here the logo of Botany channel. Historical point of view, transcription was first discovered in 1952 by two scientists. You can see here the picture of scientist. Transcription, a phage virus used in the process. Example of bacteria which are used in the process as Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas, Rhodococcus and Xanthobacter. Bacterial transcription step, you can see here in diagram how virus attach to the surface of bacteria cell, how it penetrate its DNA into the cell, and how it multiply and able to release from the cell and able to attack another organism or another cell of same organism. You can see the lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. Lytic cycle is a cycle in which bacteria have the virus genome, and at the end bacterial cell will be burst and virus molecules or particles have ability to release from bacteria cell and attack to another cells of the same organism. And in lysogenic cycle, the virus and bacteria cell remain inside the same cell of bacteria cell and multiply with the bacteria cell. Lysogenic cycle sometime become like a lytic cycle. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our video with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Types of transcription. Number 1, generalized transcription. Generalized transcription is the process by which any bacterial gene may be transferred to another bacteria via a bacteriophage, typically carry only bacteria DNA and no viral DNA. This is the packaging of bacterial DNA into a viral envelope. Specialized transcription. It is a process by which a restricted set of bacterial gene is transferred to another bacterium. Specialized transcription occur when prophage exists from chromosome so that bacterial genes lying adjacent to the include in existing DNA, and both DNA of viral and bacterial cells remain inside the host body and multiply with the host body. You can see here generalized transcription and specialized transcription. How virus attach to the surface, how virus penetrate its genetic material inside the host cell, then replicate and bursting the cell and able to attack another host cells of the same body in generalized transcription process. And in specialized transcription, when the viral DNA enter into the body of host cell, for example bacteria, it will remain inside the host cell as a prophage. Sometime it will be convert into lytic cycle, otherwise it will be remain inside the bacterial body and multiply with the bacterial body. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you like our video, then please share with your other students, colleagues and other researchers. And if you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. We will reply as soon as possible. Significance of transduction. It transfers genetic material from one bacterial cell to another and alter the genetic characteristics. For example, in specialized transduction, the GAL gene, a cell lacking ability to metabolize galactose, could acquire the ability. It shows the evolutionary relationship between the prophage and host bacterial cell. Prophage can exist in a cell for a long period, suggest a similar possible mechanism for the viral origin of cancer. It provides a way to study the gene linkage. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration and for your attention. Good luck.